Wow! Magic! Lumipad! Lumipad, di ba? Ang taas! What? Isa pa! Ladies and gentlemen, the flying yellow handkerchief! It's flying! Diba? Oo, may flying yan. Sabi sa'yo, lagay mo yung lumilipad, nilagay mo mata. Again, everybody say, sabay-sabay. Isa pa! Hey! Asan yung panyo? Where is my handkerchief? Wala. Tawag dito. Sabi nila, ay, nawala. Sabi nila, if you own a dog and you put your dog in a cage, pag inopen mo yung cage, anong mangyayari? Tatakbo palabas yung aso. At ang una niyang hinahanap ay ang kanyang amo. But if you own a bird and you put your bird in a away, mahanap mo ba yung ibon? Mahanap mo ba yung ibon? Hindi na, di ba? But this bird is different. He will try and look. Sandali lang, sasalita pa ako. Magulo dyan ka lang. Every time I open his cage, lumagpas. He will try and look for me. Siyempre lang, hindi pa uwian, mamaya pa uwian eh. And sabi nga nila, if you own a dog, you can easily train your dog to jump, roll over, stand up. But birds like this, mahirap daw i-train. You know why? Because they got tiny little brains. But for 4 years, I've been training him, and yesterday, I got so amazed. For 4 years, every day, I shouted. Ang sinisigaw ko, kaliwa, kanan, kaliwa, kanan. Kahapon nagulat ako kasi pagsigaw ko ng kaliwa, kanan, yun yung ginawa niya at may nagpalakpakan. When you shout, ay hindi ko lang tayo, nagtrabaho tayo eh. When you shout, kaliwa, kanan, kaliwa, kanan, may nagpapalakpakan talaga. Dito lang ang word is for him to turn around by command. Nobody has ever done it. So, turn around. Uy, kumaingay. It's gonna turn around and everybody will clap after that, okay? Turn around. There you go. Thank you very much. Turn around. Turn around ba? So you want him to turn around? Mahirap yun eh. Turn around ka, turn around. Isa pa, papalakpak sila. Isa pa ulit. Ayan, isa pa. Ayan, isa palakpak. O, pababa naman. Palababa. Walang pumapalakpak, pababa. At alam niyo, who took a bath this morning? Sino naligo kanina? Tita, naligo ka? Anong sabon gamit mo, tita?
Shampoo!
Down! Wala pa nga natin si tita, down! Okay, tita, pakita sa daliri. Papato ko siya pag naamoy niya yung down. Nakaharap, ganun. Dadapo siya. Baliktad. Ganun. Ayan, taas mo. Umupo ka na, pangarap tamaan. Okay, taas mo, taas mo. Okay, so everybody watch him. Perch there. Kasi may down! Ay! Uy! Sabi ko doon ka lang, pag ayaw mo doon sa kamay. Taas mo kasi, tita. Dam! Ay, bumalik na naman. Ba't ayaw mo sa dam? Ha? Ba't ayaw mo sa dam? Ay, sorry, tita, hindi daw dam na amoy niya. Perla daw. Aray! Palapakan natin si Ernie. Everybody come here for my pretty for Ernie. Ernie, bye-bye. Yung pinakamagagaling na magician lang ang nakakapag-magic dito. Ayan. And I'm a proud member of MAGV. We call ourselves Magicians Foundation Incorporated. One of our former president became one of the magicians in the Magic Castle. His name, Rani Raimundo. Para pa ng mga nakakakilala, the singer. He's a very good close-up magician. Nung nagpunta ako doon, may nagbenta sa akin ng magic. Sabi niya, this would cost me $150. So, alam mo naman mga Pinoy, di ba? We want to see if it's real. And I told him, if you can impress me with the trick, I'm gonna buy it. Pila mo, karton lang, $150, di ba? So, what he did, he showed me the trick. He opened it up. At ang nakita ko ay iba't iba kulay. What are the colors? Everybody sabay-sabaw. Blue, pink, yellow, red, white, and green. Sas! Isa pa! Guys, after saying abracadabra, nagulat ako. Kasi nung buksan niya yung board, yung green napunta sa taas, yung blue sa baba. Magic, right? Ano binaliktad? Kaninong anak niya? Nang bubo ko. Nakita mo? Ba't di ka umiyak? Binaliktad ko daw. Nakita niyo? Binaliktad ko. Mommies, nakita niyo yung naka-checkered. Sir! Kaano-ano mo si Tigo? Ay, hindi pala, sir. Sir, pwede ka mag-magic? Diyan ka lang, diyan ka lang. Sabihin ko lang pangalan mo, sir. Elvin. Everybody, palapakan natin si Tito Elvin. Okay, Elvin. This is our first time to meet, right? Never have I seen you before in my entire life, ever. Like the other day, may kasama ka sa Trinoma, maitim, singkit, mahaba ko, din, yakap-yakap mo. Kasama mo ate mo? Ano daw? Nanay mo. Ayan. Ano mo siya ate? Patungan mo. Ano mo? Ano mo yan? Asawa. Sorry, Elvin. May bibiro lang ako ate ha. Ayan. Elvin, ilang kulay nakikita mo? Ani. Now, I'm going to give you a chance to pick a number, any number you like between 1 to 6. Sabihin mo malakas. 5. Wanna change your mind?